Hey friends, brain breaks are awesome. Your students love them, and there is nothing like a brain break to get your kids refreshed and ready to learn. So we have lots of brain breaks to show you on the blog, but I want to show you this one that you can use with your students, whether you're face-to-face or if you are doing distance learning, you can do this on Zoom. So let me show you how this activity works, and then I'll show you how you can customize it for your own students. So if you just click over here on the left side of the screen on slide number 1, all we're going to do is press the down arrow really fast to move through the slides. When you do that, it's going to look like they're randomizing. You can even make noises like beep, 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 beep for a little bit of extra fun. So choose a student to say stop, and when they say stop, you'll stop the randomizing, and then that is the activity that the students are going to complete. So notice when you look here that we have 5 different highlighted squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The students are going to complete each of these 5 activities during the brain break, but they're going to complete the first one for the longest period of time, the second one for a little bit shorter, the third one for less, and the fourth and fifth. So the first one is going to be 60 seconds, the second one is going to be 45 seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and 10 seconds. And so once the students have read, then all you have to do is click the play button, and it will guide the students for the time period that they need to do the activity. So when you press play, it's going to start the first activity with a countdown of 60 seconds. Notice the color is the same as the color of the highlighted square, and there's some music to make it a little bit more fun. After that time goes down, it will, let's see, let me fast forward. It's going to flip to the next one, just like this. So now we have moved to the teal color, and now instead of doing the twist, they're going to be saluting a friend, and then it keeps going in that same way. So this video in total is 3 minutes. So after the 3 minutes is over, the students have had 3 minutes of a brain break, some physical activity to get their heart pumping and their brain juices flowing. So now I want to show you how you can customize it to meet the needs of your students. So let's say that you don't want the student to do elephant stomps. Maybe it's too loud for your class. Well, you can change any of these all at the same time. And so all you're going to do is press CTRL Find, and then you'll type in exactly what it is that you want to replace. So I'm going to take out elephant stomps, and then you are going to replace it with whatever you want it to say instead. So maybe we can replace with sing the ABCs or something, whatever your creativity leads you. And then you're going to click the button that says replace all, and it will automatically replace all of those elephant stomps to sing the ABCs. So you can replace one or all of them, as many as you want. So be creative in what you're doing with this, and your students will love it, and you'll love that they're ready to move on with the learning with a fresh mental clarity. Have fun.